Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will know how to install Visual Studio Code for Mac OS. So, to get started, go to Safari. Then search for Visual Studio Code and press Enter. Then click on the first link and go to Download for Mac OS. Then, you will see that Visual Studio Code is downloading. Next, when it finished downloading, go to Finder. Then, Downloads and click on the app. Then press on Open. And you will find that Visual Studio Code is installed. I hope this video be helpful. And thanks for watching.